You ready? Race.
No.
Come on.
No.
You have to go right now?
Yes.
You want to watch me do it?
No.
You gonna time me?
Sure.
Remember when you were a kid growing up in the summer and you'd go out to the watermelon patch and you'd see that big juicy melon just about to burst and you'd twist it off the vine and bring it inside to your mom. She'd take out a big knife and slice into it and open it up with that sound. And then to your surprise and delight, it's yellow.
No, that never happened to me.
Well, it did to me.
Oh, really?
I'm pretty sure.
Oh.
Yeah.
What do you mean I'm pretty sure?
No, it happened.
Okay.
Tell us about your feelings on melons, Liz.
I'm not a fan of melons. Melons, I feel like, are
What is wrong with
whack. They're just too moist, too juicy. Watermelons, I remember eating watermelon when I was a kid at camp. The juice would just stick all down my arms and it would be all sticky and I'd be sticky for the rest of the day. It was so gross. And yeah, they're just like such a flavor letdown.
And I think differences in this world are beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
I don't want to force you to like something that you don't like.
Mm-hmm.
But I think that we build up conceptions of things over time and those get locked into place. Have you ever heard of the Zen concept of beginner's mind?
Uh-huh.
So what does that mean?
You tell me.
You've heard of it, right?
No.
You said uh-huh.
I'm just saying, like, okay.
So that's how you've heard of it. 'Cause
No,
I
I've heard
said-
you just, I'm just acknowledging that you
Alright,
said
so
something.
beginner's
That's all.
mind is the concept of approaching something as if you've never
Had it before.
Right.
Okay,
or
cool.
done it before.
All right.
Right? So you gotta let go of all these preconceptions.
A mind cleanse.
Yeah.
Get it all out. Let's try some melons.
Watermelon.
Yeah.
Take some time to appreciate that beautiful color. Now, what's your issue with watermelon?
It's just too messy. And it's just not worth it for what it is. Alright.
Oh man,
That's pretty good.
that is really good.
Yeah, I feel like in the center, delicious, lots of flavor. And then now that I'm getting to the middle, it's just like not a lot of flavor.
So just eat from the middle of the watermelon. Yum yum. Yum yum. That's what watermelon tastes like. Yum yum. You know, in Japan, they figured out how to grow a cubic watermelon.
Yeah, I did know that.
But yeah, but they're like 3 times as expensive. Wow.
In general.
Look at this. That's so cool.
Yeah.
Okay, yellow watermelon. Cheers.
Cheers.
It's definitely different.
Yeah. The texture is a lot firmer.
It is. Now I wonder if that's because it's a different color or you just have variation
The
from
taste is a
watermelon
lot
to watermelon.
sweeter.
Sweeter, really? Maybe you're just a yellow watermelon person.
Yeah, I think I like it better.
So I learned today that this is actually different from what they know as cantaloupe in Europe. The European cantaloupe is a lot smoother. This is
What?
in North
Smoother?
America is also called a rock melon because the texture on the outside looks like a rock. And it's also called a musk melon, known for its sweet, musky scent. Mmm. Ah, that is good.
It has such a weird, funky flavor.
Such a smooth texture.
Yeah, it's got a good texture.
Mmm. Can you believe that this grows out of the earth?
Yeah.
This is made from dirt and water and air. And it makes this. It's like candy.
Deep thoughts with Duncan.
Not too deep.
I don't like this.
I thought you liked cantaloupe.
This is not a good cantaloupe, I don't think.
What's the matter with you? Are you on drugs? My wife's a napkin.
No, cantaloupe.
What?
You're rubbing it
That's
on my
what marriage
shirt.
is. We tell each other everything and we wipe our faces on each other's clothes.
All right, well, next time I take a poop, I'm going to use your hand.
Honeydew?
Yeah.
The big motivation for doing this in the first place. Because this is a big honey don't.
Oh, this is the worst.
Hold on. Let's just take a moment here to appreciate how beautiful this is. Okay? Just the color. It's such a...
Even the color is boring. It's
it's a subtle...
It's like a sad
creamy
lime.
green.
It's like a sad lime.
And the name, Honeydew.
Yeah.
Isn't that like an evocative...
Well, I wish it tasted like honey.
Well, it's got its own thing going on. That's amazing.
It's the same thing with the watermelon. Like the center is way tastier than the middle and the edge.
Here you go. That's what honeydew tastes like. Here you go.
No, I don't want any more. Stop it.
So we wanted to throw in a curveball. Technically, this isn't.
Okay, we didn't actually want to throw in a curveball. We just found these at the farmer's market.
They
so.
said melon on the
This
sign.
was very unplanned.
Yeah.
And these are probably not melons, but
We're live, folks. We don't know what's gonna happen.
they could be deadly.
Yeah. This is just two variations of the same thing.
Okay, so they're called melons, but I don't think that they are melons.
China, India. Who knows what a melon is anyway?
That is really very potent.
Ugh.
What is that?
It tastes like a pepper
Yeah.
mixed with just like some kind of random poisonous grass from the yard. Actually, the fleshy part in the middle is better.
Yeah, it's kind of like a pea.
Well, okay, the outer part is worse than the inner part. That's something
Like
that we
with
learned
all
today.
melons. What have we learned here today, folks? Only eat the inside of melons, not the outside. They're bad. What's your favorite?
My favorite melon?
Yeah.
Ooh, that's tough to say. Wait, what's your favorite melon?
This honeydew is the tastiest.
Oh my gosh.
So I
Unexpected.
You didn't see that coming.
No, I did not.
Oh.
Okay, cool. Well, this has been a worthwhile endeavor.
Yeah.
But wait, there's one more thing we have to try. You ready? Race.
No.
Come on.
No.
You have to go right now?
Yes.
You want to watch me do it?
No.
You gonna time me?
Sure. That was the most disgusting thing I have